Hello. Look at me recording an intro. I have never done that. Oh, I'm shaking the whole thing. Clearly, you can tell I never done this. Anyway, I found this camera that I think I had when I was like 8 to 10 years old. Anyway, I was excited to see what I thought was worth recording at the time, and I'm here to share with you today the inside of 8-year-old me's mind. Cool transition.
No, go. Do it.
That's a good one.
Daddy, turn it off. I don't want to. Take a picture.
I don't know where
There you go. We're recording. Hello.
Oh, there they are.
Wait,
gas station.
that's
They
Howard.
didn't make it, and they finally made it to one.
That's Papa.
See, that's the little one.
That's Mommy.
Are you actually recording?
Yeah.
Let me see.
The red bus.
Isabel.
Stop. Now I'm going to show you how you look. What?
I see me.
I know, that's what I told you. That's because I'm doing this. No. I'm filming myself.
I guess I should get up and pack.
There's Mommy. Wait, there's Mommy's pants.
Isabel. Is that chrome pan?
Yeah, you're in the process of recording.
Mommy, I'm filming. Jimmy, I see you. Look at me. I'm filming you.
Now she's filming you.
I'm filming you, alright?
Are you zooming in?
You get that zip.
I can film myself. I'm filming myself. Now I'm filming the plane.
I see a t-shirt that says Kate Anthony babysitting, now with swimming lessons. I was like, oh, I'm recording.
Mommy, I'm filming the light.
Got my toes in the water, ass in the sand. Not a worry in the world, cold beer in my hand. Life's a good day, life's a good day. But the angels down, about 3 o'clock, then city still on mine. The king of the palm trees dance in my head, I'm still in the bag, fine. Concrete cars, they don't rip off like this life I'm living in. But the thing wrong with mother, now there's no water, and I'm not going back in. I got my toes in the water, ass in the sand. Not a worry in the world, cold beer in my hand. Life's a good day, life's a good day.
What's that even mean?
Light open deals?
Yeah.
Light open deals? Zoom tight.
There's no such thing as fishing for turtles.
Yes, there is.
No, there's not.
Fishing is a process.
But what about the shell?
No.
Turtle soup? You heard turtle soup?
No.
Actually, all right.
I never had it. But your old Uncle John
That
used to
makes me
live.
sick.
It makes it.
We're not gonna eat that.
Okay, and then like it's when they used to.
I don't want to eat that turtle. Mommy, do they eat all their shells?
No.
They boil them.
But what if it's a snapping turtle?
It's even better.
I'm filming the whole world. He said my dog likes this song. I can't dance right now. No, I can't. I'm trying to film the whole way. Abby, it's not a race. Abby, it's still a green light, and you know it's a green light. She knows what she's doing. Abby, I said she knows what she's doing.
Bro, I don't know if you caught that. Turns out I wasn't 8 to 10 when I had this camera. I was 6. He said, Izzy's 6, so she knows. So that estimate was kind of awful of me. But also, I'm so sorry if this is boring. I hope you know I've had to watch through a 10-minute long video of the drive from my grandma's house to I don't even know where we're going. It's literally 10 minutes recorded out the window. I'm trying to make this the most palatable it can be. I'm sorry.
I sure am filming a long video.
Still filming?
Yeah. I'm filming the whole way. Okay, that looks like enough filming. Come on, turn it off. Oh, it says pause. Jimmy, can you turn it off? Please. Lucy! No! Oh, there he What's your name? Isabel? What? Isabel, what's your name? I'm not Isabel. What's... See, they like dogs.
They threw all my coins in the fountain, so... Yeah, we know. You're in left. No, you're right. We don't have any
Okay, that is all that was on this camera, minus 2-minute long videos of America's Funniest Home Videos playing on my TV in my bedroom. So I saved you guys that. You didn't have to watch that. But yeah, that is all I have for you. Bye. Where did he go?